Kunyari lang, ayan. Kunyari lang. So si Marco gusto ko... Mahirap yung training.
Patient natin. Ito siya. Pagka okay na, tapos na may x-ray, ibinigyan mo lang po yan. Mag-process na po siya, papasahin niya na. Dito po lalabas yung mga result.
Kulane na tinatawag, pero ito kasi nasa loob na ng baga. So yun yung AI. Ang kinaganda niya.
Tapos yun yung green, yun yung...
Yes po.
Yun yung...
It is a game changer for the simple reason that this artificial intelligence are equipped to know the landmarks and then the parameters to check if an X-ray film has possessed or has a characteristic of a TB patient. So these are all instilled in our machines, in our X-ray machines, and then the reading, instead of the doctors will still evaluate all the readings of our AI. Don't get me wrong. They still read the results. It's just that it's faster. The accuracy and specificity of our AI is very high, no less than 99%.
Ganito lang ginagamit ko talaga.
Wala pa sir. Kasi yung mga... Kasi parang hindi pa nila talaga nila sa insensya. Special...
The X-ray itself is really fast. It's the interpretation of the result which takes long because it's a batch evaluation of the radiologist. With the AI, so within 5 minutes, because of the artificial intelligence, we are able to see from our screen patients who we will be recommending for testing to use Gene Expert. Before po, we have to wait at least 3 to 4 days before the result comes out. But now, 3 to 5 minutes, we are able to recommend our patients to go through testing, which is the Gene Expert.
Yung mga mobile na X-ray na ganito, makakapagtulong sila sa pag-screening, ma-accelerate nila yung yung pag-screen ng mga pasyente, and it will lead to a faster and even increase the volume of patients na ma-screen for a given regular time as compared dun sa conventional na screening din sa X-ray.
Opo. Kay update okay na po eh. Yung kay DOH po, no? Sa Argent. Tama ba, sir? Oo. Kay Argent po eh. Kailangan...
It's one of the best tools that we can use to eliminate TB in the country for the simple reason that if we go back to the old ways wherein we have to wait at least 3 days for a radiologist to read a chest x-ray before this patient can be asked to be tested, it will take a long time. And when you say it takes a long time, that patient is already able to spread the bacteria because you cannot contain that patient and tell that patient not to go out until and when the result comes out.
Ito ma'am, papacheck.
24 oras lang po may resulta na tayo. Agad-agad po nasisimulan na rin po ang gamutan natin kapag sila ay na-test. Po, hindi po bababa sa 3 linggo bago malaman kung ang pasyente ay meron. Dahil ito po ay mano-mano na pagsusuri po na.
Ma'am, kayo interview.
Apo. Tsaka si RG.
Na nasa gilid lang po niya.